Picture this for a moment. The world's fastest cars, roaring right beneath a hotel, which literally sits on top of a Formula One racetrack. Over 60,000 plus fans, global media, celebrities, and that one weekend that defines Abu Dhabi. Now picture this being the team that doesn't just sit and watch the race, but feels every pulse of it. For me, the question wasn't just, how do we fill in rooms? It was, how do we turn this global spectacle into a brand-defining moment for the property? How do we make W Abu Dhabi not just a property overlooking a racetrack, but the heartbeat of the race itself? And that is how our campaign, Pole Position, was born. We went in with one vision, a vision to create an immersive hospitality experience, one where luxury, energy, and storytelling came together to redefine what the race weekend could be. A comprehensive marketing approach, blending creativity with data, was planned and executed. Marketing initiatives ranging from introduction of experience-led packaging, wherein we combine room stays with race access, luxury extras, even signature dining experiences, to creating enthralling F&B activations by way of high-decibel live entertainment, to driving advocacy marketing and PR by introducing the W Ambassadors program, wherein we invited key influencers and opinion makers at key junctions leading up to the race weekend, to creating exciting and engaging content on social media and campaigns on search engines, and not to forget, to bring to life partnerships and collaborations with like-minded global brands. And the results, ladies and gentlemen, never seen before in the history of the hotel. Our PR campaign reached out to over 3,000 plus journalists and editors in different source markets globally, garnering a PR value worth of $2.3 million. Social media played a key important role, generating over 250 plus exciting content to drive engagement. Not just that, we ran 8 multilingual search campaigns in 7 international source markets to build awareness and drive conversion. We also collaborated very closely with our partners like Estee Lauder, who brought in their Killian Perry brand and executed experiences and activations around it. And not to forget, experiences and activations around our own Bonvoy program, Marriott Bonvoy, were also executed. Additionally, we worked closely with some of the third-party hospitality partners, like DB Hospitality, ZK Sports, Bagatelle, to bring to life different F&B activations, working very, very closely with Ithara, DCT, Miral, and Eldar Hospitality. And the results, and the numbers, they speak for themselves. Over 67% growth in room revenues versus last year, with a staggering 96% occupancy. Substantial increase of 56% in ADR versus last year. F&B was not behind. Over 1,400 plus covers for a signature big brunch offering, which grew by 15% over last year. And all of this with a return on marketing investment of 1:50, and in just 4 days of the race weekend. But, ladies and gentlemen, for me, what was special about this campaign wasn't just the numbers. It was the energy. We didn't just sell rooms and F&B offerings. We sold an experience of a lifetime, and every guest felt it. We brought together cross-functions, finance, operations, revenue, sales, marketing, digital, PR, all into one engine, perfectly timed and perfectly tuned. And like I said, the results were historic, because when creativity meets precision and passion fuels performance, you don't just compete, you take pole position. I'm Abhinav, the Director of Marketing and Communications at W Abu Dhabi, and this is our story. Thank you very much.